do corpo dourado do sol de Ipanema.
Yeah, and with this beautiful Brazilian music, I welcome everyone to another amazing stream by Carlone. Hello Wolfie Wolf, hello Dummy Pug, hello Jordy Boy. What's up guys? How are you? Holy shit, I'm actually fucking hyped. Look. You remember what I fucking ordered, right? It was a jacket, a shirt, and another longer thing. It all came in this box. There's a box. It's a mini fucking box. I'm scared actually. Vinny, hello dude. Yeah, either we wait a little bit for orders or we can just go for it. I don't mind. Because I would like to play some comp too. And then I would like to... yeah, we have scrims at 7. So in 1 hour. Kid size. Yo, I'm gonna be so mad if it doesn't... if it doesn't work. Okay. I could also just open it here without moving the cam at all and just let Lucio keep playing music, I guess. So guys, IRL loot box. I don't need a knife for this. Are you ready, guys? You guess, you win! Okay, I see the first piece. Senpai! Sanji Saints, what's up guys? Okay, this must be the jacket. I guess we need to try it. Holy fucking shit. We ordered some stuff together online. And now we're gonna open it. Okay, this looks insanely huge. And it looks it's gonna be perfect size. Sorry for the noises. I can put the full cam actually. No, I think this is enough. So this is how it looks like. We got the Overwatch League thing here, because I'm Overwatch League now. We got the Seoul Dynasty. And some stuff I don't even know. Then you see my name in the back. I wish. Yeah, and this is like, it's glued. It's not stitched. They push all the stuff inside the box. Yeah, it's so much stuff in so many boxes. Okay, it is a bit big. It's actually huge. But I can wear this. Oh shit! This is poggers! Yo, I actually like this. It's a bit long in the sleeves, but I think this size is Gucci. This is what you're gonna see me the rest of the day though. Oh my god, it's actually good. Yeah, I think the smaller size would have been bad, to be honest. Yeah, for those people that said it's shit when I was ordering, they were completely wrong. I love this. Look, it's this kind of thing. Can you see it on stream? I don't know if you can see it because of the bitrate, but it's like this which I told you that's my favorite, you know? Oh my god, that's actually nice. I can't wait to wear this at school, so everyone knows I'm fucking virgin. No, I love this. It's actually fucking nice to do. I guess neoprene. Okay, the next one. Damn, I don't wanna... I'm gonna keep this. Something is telling me I should have ordered more, but I think this is enough to be appreciated as a virgin World of Warcraft, Overwatch player. Why did I say World of Warcraft? I'm gonna definitely keep this thing. This looks really nice. Oh, you know where it's gonna go? Right here. So everyone gonna think I'm in the Overwatch League. You can see it on this cam, I think. No, you can't. Poggers! I like this really much. And yo, Finny! Hello, hello! Okay, next. This is amazing. I can't wait to show my mom and dad. They're actually gonna kick me out of the house. 70 fucking bucks for this! Go to work, you piece of shit! Vinny, did you see the material, by the way? I missed the material, eh? Okay, next is gonna be the windbreaker. So I can break some wind. This also looks really good, to be honest, already. Let me break the wind. I love how they packaged everything. So small box, really. So here it is. Nice Overwatch logo to protect my virginity once again. Oh, this looks small. This actually looks ultra small. What the fuck? It's like a giraffe. Giraffe neck sleeves. This looks small, way smaller than the other jacket. Let's see if this is virgin protecting enough. Okay. Okay, actually not bad. Okay, actually not bad. I'm not happy about the sleeves though. The sleeves are so fucking long, look. They're like 20% longer than the jacket. I like this though. You think, Sanji? I like this. I need to see how I look when I go depresso mode. Yeah, I can go depresso mode with this. Or when it's raining, like. You can hide your hand, yeah. My girlfriend, I can hide my girlfriends. No, to be honest, it's really nice. Even my teammates would avoid me, not only the rain. Can't wait to break the wind with this. Yo, actually looking nice. I'm gonna wear this at school. Yo, this looks really nice. And I have grey shoes. Like literally the only pair of shoes I have on my own is grey. I just don't like the sleeves. But I can just, you know, maybe I could even, you know. No, that looks even more retarded. Okay, I guess I just go like this. I mean, I'm gonna walk around like this all the time anyway. This is how I'm gonna walk to school like this. Oh, I forgot my depresso mode. Depresso mode going to school. I have to study. It's the Overwatch event and I have to study. I have exams and Spellbreakers now open beta. Everyone is streaming. I cannot play, oh my god. Everyone is losing his rank and I not, because I have to study. Okay, next. Next, last but not least. Oh, it says Overwatch here too. In case a girl comes too close, I'm like, look at this! And then she's like, ooh. Virgin mode activated. I'm gonna be like every other night. Okay, peoples. The jacket is XL2, by the way. The rest is XL. Thank God I changed it. I'm sorry. Alright. This is how it looks like. I should have gone like this, yeah, so you can see my face. My beautiful face. They're extending the Christmas sale, by the way. I might check their shop again, in case there's something. Oh, I was worried for a little, but there's paper in it. I was like, what the fuck is the sound? It's paper in it. And they put these things too, you know. So! Oh! Oh, this is nice. This is nice. It's not... Look, we have the Overwatch League thing here. And this is not like glued. This is the shirt itself. You know what I mean? Wow, this is nice. I'm gonna need to undress a second. Yo, this is really nice. And I think it's gonna match. Give me a second. Okay, this is actually really nice. Get nipples out. 300 subs and I get 1 nipple. I actually kept the shirt under because if it's new, it's gonna actually harass my nipples. Okay, this looks insane. I fucking love it. Full virgin mode activated.